Hey, hello there everybody. So got the car back from the body shop today. It's here a week for a fender bender. It got damaged around here. Somebody at work, my wife's work, backed up on it and unfortunately did not have insurance. So our insurance took care of it. So now it's all fixed up. They had it here a week and it looks super pretty. It's back to the original. Back to original. So what happened was, wife was at work and somebody backed it up. I'll post some pictures. So here's the damaged area, as I mentioned. The front bumper right there was pushed in when somebody backed into it and made that cut right there. And if you can see, the LEDs and the fog lamp area was also pushed in. So now, as you can see, you can not even tell where it is in this video. So damaged the bumper of this Jeep, and it had a cut in here around this area, and this popped out. So they fixed that. I don't think they replaced the bumper, they just glued it together, but you cannot see it. Looks like a brand new bumper. So now it's all done and complete. I'm just doing a video recording walk around to make sure I have a record of when I picked this Jeep up. So you can hear the Borla right there. So it's an unfortunate situation that our insurance had to pick up the damage. Good thing is, we have a good insurance company. We use Progressive, and they really stepped up to the plate and getting this Jeep repaired back to us. So we were on vacation and left it here for a week, and now we have it back. So pretty happy with it, how it turned out. And just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the situation of the Jeep repair. So this is Green Chevrolet Body Shop. They did a good job, awesome job actually, in getting this back together like nothing happened. So thank you again for your subscription, and I hit 1,000 subscribers last week. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, please do, and like and share the videos. More videos to come. So take care. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.